The world never stops. People move, factories produce, buildings adapt, energy flows. Modern operations rely on automation. At WAGO, we empower connections through reliable, scalable automation solutions. Solutions that enhance performance, maximize uptime, and keep systems running smoothly every day. Open and flexible, our solutions integrate seamlessly across machines, systems, and digital platforms. WAGO Automation delivers scalable, reliable connections at the core of every control system, today and tomorrow. From industrial automation to digital infrastructure, from intelligent buildings to critical energy systems, WAGO Automation allows you to monitor, optimize, and improve performance, delivering visibility, control, and total confidence. WAGO, automation for a world that never stops.